Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Why2Blog. In this episode of Why2Blog, we will see how to fix the WordPress permalink 404 error. 404 error is that kind of error where you click a link and you won't find the post or the page and you will just get an error 404. Generally in WordPress, this error is caused because the WordPress permalinks are changed afterwards. When you set up a WordPress blog, then you should change the WordPress permalink in the beginning as to what kind of permalink you want. If you change it afterward, then you may get this WordPress 404 permalink error. But generally, even after creating some post, when you change the WordPress permalink, then you shouldn't get the error. So in case if you get this WordPress permalink 404 error, then you can do two things. The first thing is you need to go to your htaccess file and make a modification. You have to make sure that the htaccess file can be modified, it can be rewritten again. So how do you do that? You can use a FTP client such as FileZilla to edit the htaccess file of your WordPress blog. For example, let me go to this FileZilla. It is an FTP client. So host name is the name of your domain name of your blog, and you have to enter your username, which is obtained when you are purchasing space in a web hosting server. You need to enter the password. So I am inside of my WordPress blog, and let me go to this public HTML folder. Then I can see there is an htaccess file. So how do you edit this htaccess file? Right click on it and click on view edit. So when you open this htaccess file, you should be able to see this code. So the rewrite engine should be on so that the htaccess file can be modified, so that whenever you are changing the WordPress permalink, it should be automatically changed. So if this rewrite engine is off, then you need to make this rewrite engine on. So in this way you can edit the htaccess file so that you can change the WordPress permalink and you should not get this 404 error in your WordPress permalink. The next situation where you get this kind of 404 WordPress permalink error is if your domain name is not fully registered. Suppose you have purchased a domain name and space in web hosting server such as Bluehost, but sometimes due to certain condition your purchase may not be fully approved. So when you go into your inside your web hosting server, such as if you go into your Bluehost account, then you will see a message that you need to verify your contact information. You should be very careful to see that if you have that kind of message in your Bluehost server. I had a same situation where I got this WordPress permalink 404 error. I tried to change the permalink from the default to the post name and I was not successful. I always used to get an error. When I set my permalink to default, it worked, but whenever I turn from default to either post or to category, then I always used to get 404 error. So I tried to modify my htaccess file, but it didn't work. So the reason why it didn't work was I had got a message in my Bluehost server that I need to verify my contact information. So how do you verify the contact information? in all of the web hosting server, it's generally the same. You need to scan the credit card, the front and the behind of the credit card, and you need to scan an ID and send it to Bluehost or any other web hosting server. Make sure that when you are scanning the backside of your credit card, just to blur the passcode or to blur the security code so that it won't be visible to others. So once you verify your contact information, or once you verify that you are the one who have purchased the domain by sending the ID and the credit card details, within some time you should be able to change the WordPress permalink, and we won't get this 404 error again. So this is how you can resolve the WordPress permalink 404 error. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and visit to my blog y2blog.com for more information.